Hey, what's up? I'm Sam from AI for Marketers, and today we're gonna do an amazing, super cool tutorial, review, video, I don't know how to call it, on how to create infinite short form content with AI. Now, the app we're gonna be using here in this tutorial is a super new app that, I think it's amazing. It is like actually simple. The amount of things that you can do with this app is just nuts. It's called YapThread. You probably saw that on the title. But here's the deal. I really think that if you master this AI, you are gonna be able to create infinite short form content, infinite newsletters of whatever topic you want, using a prompt in the AI to work for you and letting you just be the ideas guy or gal. So the app is mainly a mobile app, but I'm recording with my phone, so we're doing it on the iPad. I feel like a grandma when I use my iPad, dude. Like it's just like that. I'm sorry, but my mom is not my mom now, but like my grandma used to watch like her phone like this. I was super funny. I was super cute. I really loved my grandma. Well, YapThread is amazing. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, you have to download it. It's currently on beta, alpha, beta. I don't know how to call it. It just released like a week ago. I know the founder from Twitter. His name is Riley. He also makes YouTube videos about AI, and he's got a big personal brand on Instagram mainly, and TikTok too. So he created a blog that he uses himself, and I really think that's genius. Okay, so here we are. The app is called YapThread. That's a cool logo and a cool name. Like love it. Yeah, let's dive in. Like, don't judge me because I just tried this thing and I've been trying to use this app for like a month now because I was on the wait list. But I didn't get access to the app. But so don't judge me for the jabs I created. Like basically the app and this entire workflow is how to jab about an idea that you want to make a short video from, and then have AI generate the entire script for you to read in the video. So what's pretty cool is, for example, my editor for AI for Marketers, his name is Jose, and for me to create these videos, I actually have to sit down, record, just be in the mood, right? I put some music, I have a sip of coffee, and then I record, okay? And then my editor downloads the RAWs and creates the video. But here's the deal. For short form content, that process is too slow to create short form content of immediate things or just a 1-minute video. For this tutorial, that workflow is amazing because this is super valuable tutorial, at least in my opinion, right? It's like a 10-minute thing. But imagine having an hour process or 2-hour process just for creating a 1-minute video. Maybe if it takes a lot of motion graphics, that might work like that, but if it's just like a normal video of you talking, it shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to produce a 1-minute video. And the task that is the most difficult to do is actually what YapThread solves. Is the ideation part, is the scripting. It's like, oh, okay, I have an idea, but I have not, okay, I want to talk about water, right? But like what type of water, like what do I want to say about water, right? First, I have to yap a little bit, like in my head, and then I have to write my idea, and then I have to write the idea in short form content style of writing, right? Then I have to read that script in front of the camera, and then I send that raw to Jose. Jose edits it, and then I publish it. The editing part, okay, that you have to do that. But the entire script building process takes like the most time, and we didn't have anything to help us with that. And now we do. Okay, so we see there YapThread, right? Record your ideas, generate content, and I don't know why I'm showing you guys like that because I know you are seeing the screen recording. You can sing it with Google and with Apple, both. Let's sing it with Apple real quick because I already had my account there. Okay, and this is what we see. Okay, so I made a jab about Minecraft because Minecraft, I used to play Minecraft when I was like, a little kid, and it transformed my brain to this, problem solving type of brain where, I don't have any restrictions, I just create things. And that's mainly because I played Minecraft a lot when I was, a teenager. So, I now, like what I do for a living is that, right? I build things, I build projects, build companies. So, yeah, so I was trying to explain that to YapThread. Actually, my first thing with this account was the water versatility. And it's like literally just a job that I made talking about how water is like the perfect drink. So, you sometimes can drink like still water, and you can also drink like sparkling water, and you can also drink flavored water. And I know what you're thinking, like you cannot make a, short form video that is engaging and valuable about water and flavored water and sparkling water, but I can and I did. So here's the deal. You can chat about anything you want, okay? And then you can make a super cool scripted video about that topic. And maybe if you want to change the language of the script, that, something is you yapping with one voice, and maybe you want the script writing or voice in another style of writing, you can do that too. So listen, we have here three mainly interfaces with YapThread. The first one is threads. Okay, threads is just yap or write about a topic. I'm going to show you that one first, then I'm going to show you sources, and then I'm going to show you compositions. Let's create one just to show you guys how this thing works. This is super simple, but it's amazingly useful. Let's go to voice. Okay, I just want to say that here in AI for marketers, like our mission is helping people with all of these AI tools to enhance their workflows, because their workflows now are not cool, brother. But in the future, if they apply the techniques and they know how to use the correct AI tools, their workflows are gonna be cool, okay? That's a pretty dumb voice note, right? I just said, if you see my channel, you're cool, and if you don't, you're not cool. But here's the deal, like this app is amazing and helps us expand on what we want to say. How does the app help us expand on our thoughts? Is by asking us questions, right? You can see it there. It just transcribed my voice, right? I just want to say that here in AI, like a reporter, sometimes hear your own voice and it's like, wow, dude, I thought I was way more masculine. Well, it is what it is, right? So what's awesome about it is that, the app asks you questions to expand on your thoughts, right? On your first So what makes a workflow cool to you is the first question. Then you have 3 questions for selecting like your next yap. How do these tools specifically enhance your workflows? Which techniques offer the biggest impact? I want to how do these tools specifically? Okay, so we select voice there. Yeah, so they enhance your workflows in like so many ways. Like if you are a writer, you need to know how to use ChatGPT to implement like different styles of writing, to help you editing down your main thing, to help you maybe change some words, to help you with storytelling, to help you with copywriting, a lot of things. But also if you're a video editor, you need to know how to use the graphic part of AI. You need to know how to use the auto cut of Adobe Premiere. You need to know how to use Midjourney to generate amazing images for your videos. If you are a designer, you need to use tools like Midjourney again, or Ideogram, or Playground to create your amazing workflow, right? Your amazing work. All of these new tools can enhance your workflow, but my point with this video is that if you are AI savvy, your work, you can make the work of, what it usually takes 50 people to now, you can do just yourself. That's what's amazing about AI. Like you can do the work of 50 people. You can see I'm not like being super fluent there, right? Like I was japping literally. Like I wasn't like I've never said that before. So I just, said it there for the first time. And of course, when you're yapping about something, you don't have the complete idea in your mind. So you just, you're yapping, right? But the thing is creating a thread about my ideas, and then we can use all of that information to create a super amazing script. So another question, let's do 3. What's your favorite AI tool for boosting creativity? Okay, I don't know if I like that one. How has AI personally changed your workflow? Yeah, that one is cool. How do you think AI is changing teamwork? Okay, so let's pick this one. How has AI personally changed your workflow? I won't expand on that because I think it's made me like way smarter. So AI has changed everything for me. Like I can't even like think about difference between Sam pre-AI, meaning like Sam is myself, right? Me, Sam, pre-AI and post-AI. Like they're 2 different people, dude. Like one is way smarter than the other one, and way more productive and way more creative. And now I do projects and create things. And before AI, yeah, I did, but I didn't have the capabilities to do amazing animations, and now I do. I didn't know how to write like an expert, like author, and now I can just put one super cool thought of mine, right? One super cool writing of mine, into GPT and tell it, hey, help me and write this in, I don't know, Scott Galloway's voice, for example, or in Naval Ravikant's voice, and it does it, and I can pick parts of that writing and mix it with mine and maintain my own voice but evolve it, and it helps me get better in so many different skills and so many different projects. For me, it not only has changed my workflow, it has changed me as a person. Like, I'm a way more creative guy and a way better, like, you know, leader in everything I do, just because I know how to use AI and all of these amazing tools. So it's transcribing that. I got passionate about the thing, dude, and I don't, here's the deal, dude. You might think, hey Sam, why are you so passionate about AI? You know, what's with that? And I'm gonna tell you, dude, I don't give a fuck. I am, because before AI, I was pretty much a winner too. I'm always been a winner. So here's the deal, learn AI, okay? And we can help you with that. Just so you know, stay tuned, because I'm working on a course, a complete bootcamp for you to master every single AI tool, every single AI workflow. And at the end of that bootcamp, if you take that bootcamp, you're gonna know how to create amazing music videos, amazing ads, amazing songs, amazing books, just with AI. And you're gonna be able to create entire personalities and characters for your brands and for your things. And you're gonna know how to automate your entire business. And I'm working on that because I want that product to be valuable. But just so you know, dude, that's my main priority right now, and you'll see it. You know, we can continue like creating a YapThread here, right? Do you see AI changing others like change you? How has AI made you more creative? What's the biggest change in your skills post AI? So many, right? I think that's enough to make the demo of YapThread. I want to show you guys you know, what this thing does with your ideas. We go here to this button, right? At the top right corner on the screen, we see like a cute wandle, or I don't know how that thing's called. That thing there, right? We're gonna press that one, and it's loading, and that's how we create compositions. This is how, you know, YapThread works. You create compositions with your yaps, with your thinking. Okay, so for writing, we have 4 options. Transcribe, basically transcribing everything we just said. Concise plus snippet, which is the one I think is the most, like, well, maybe, I don't know if that's the best one for shorts, maybe yes. Then we have enhance. Enhance is gonna make it much more readable and much more, you know, cooler. And then refine. Refine is gonna make it shorter and, you know, much more readable too. Then if we have, like, we have the to-do list optionality, because sometimes, like, and I'm gonna use YapThread for this too, and sometimes you're just walking and you remember that you have to do this and this and this. You just, you know, pick a yap there, you create a YapThread, a yap, and, you know, you say, hey, I gotta go to a grocery store, I gotta, you know, or church, I gotta, you know, train, I gotta go work out, I also have to record a video, I also have to build the product, I, you know, have to, you know, change this code. All of that, you can basically tell it, hey, do to-do list, and then select to-do list here, and it's gonna make a to-do list. So, you know, it's got several functionalities already. The one I think is the most valuable for is the short form content one. Like, you know, creating scripts for short form based on one of your jobs is like, you know, that's literally a job of someone. Like, you know, there's, you know, hundreds of thousands of people that work in that kind of similar, you know, knowledge work type, right? It's like short form writers. I don't know if there's, you know, 100,000 people that work like that, but at least 10,000 people have that job. And by the way, that's a high paying job. Like, that's basically what a copywriter does, right? Like, you have to have some level of skill and creativity, and you gotta know how to write if you are trying to get an idea, right? It's just a job, and transform that into something readable and something watchable, a super cool short form script. So, you know, this app's amazing, right? Let's enhance first, because I want to see like what it does with our idea. I'm sorry, I'm super excited about it. I have not, you know, showed you yet what it does. I know I'm hyping it up and not, you know, showing you guys the thing. Okay, there it is. AI's impact on productivity and personal growth. 1. AI as a transformative tool. 2. Personal growth and development with AI. 3. Future potential of AI. By mastering AI tools, individuals can revolutionize their work processes, making them markedly more effective and cool. Embracing these technologies can prepare users for future challenges and opportunities in their respective fields. That's pretty much what I said, right? But like, you know, just a smart person saying it. Okay, so in this second part, super interesting, it says, in my personal journey, I've discovered that AI has completely altered not just the way I work, but who I am as a professional and creative individual. Pre-AI Sam, if you will, was competent, but limited in scope and execution. Facts. Post-AI Sam has blossomed into a vastly more intelligent, resourceful, and imaginative persona. 100%. Through leveraging AI tools such as GPT for writing, Midjourney for design, I find myself integrating diverse styles of narratives into my work. AI has afforded me the ability to generate projects and animations that were once beyond my capabilities. 100%. The future holds tremendous promise for those willing to embrace AI. By becoming AI savvy, individuals can tackle more tasks independently and elevate the quality of their output substantially. It is our goal to assist you in navigating this exciting future, enabling you to harness AI and fashion it into a cornerstone in your work life. Amazing. So this is like, you know, an enhancement of what I said, right? Like I didn't say it like that. I didn't say it like that, that's for sure. But you know, I want to show you guys what it can do like for script writing. So let's go back a little bit, okay? And let's say I wanted to do a newsletter thing. I want to show you first the newsletter casual email. We're gonna pick that one, composition generating, and you're gonna see how the style of writing is pretty much, you know, completely different. Transforming marketing workflows with AI tools. Today, mission of AI for marketers. At AI for marketers, our goal is to help people utilize AI tools to transform their workflows, making them super cool. Super cool. Right now, workflows might not be great. They're not. But with the right techniques and AI tools, magic happens. It does. Enhancing workflows. AI can boost workflows in incredible ways. As a writer, tools like GPT can foster various writing styles, aid in editing, storytelling, and even finesse copywriting. For video editors, understanding the graphic and audio capabilities in tools like Adobe Premiere is key. While Midjourney offers fantastic image generation for videos, designers have a suite of tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, or Playground to elevate their creative processes. The beauty of AI is that one person can now accomplish what once required a team. It streamlines, enhances, and empowers. Dude, is this a politician? Like, wow, right? Personal transformation through AI. AI has transformed me, Sam, from pre-AI to now. It's like I'm two different people. I'm smarter, more productive, and more creative. I can tackle projects that I couldn't have handled before. Like for example, I can use GPT to tweak my writing into voices like Scott Galloway or Navarro Khan. It elevates my ideas while keeping my unique voice. AI doesn't just change workflows, it changes people. I've become a more imaginative person and a better leader thanks to mastering AI tools. 100%, dude. In fact, I'm gonna screenshot that one because yeah, right? Let's go now to what I said. I promised at first the short form thing. As you can see, like here in Refine is much closer to what I said and with my voice. In Enhance, you know, it's enhancing it to sound super smart. Here is just, you know, talking like I talk. So what we're gonna do is prompt this thing to create this short form video script. So we're gonna go to AI rewrite right in the bottom of the screen, and we're gonna tell it make a powerful I think that's a cool, you know, prompt. Let's apply edits. There you go. So there is our super cool script. But in the Sean's pure voice, I don't know if that's a voice I would use. It's kind of fun. Let's try to do it. Hey, are you ready? I'm gonna read it, and you know, like you can see there, right? It gives you the thing, even with like, hey, can you ready for supercharged creativity with AI? This Ivan, it like gives you the emoji to signify like the emotion, right? To mean the emotion of that you have to introduce to that to that line. But you can also prompt it to say, hey, in this part, like intro and the hook, be sad or be happy or be excited or whatever, right? So I'm gonna put it here, but I'm reading it to you guys so you can see like I'm there, right? Hey, are you ready to supercharge your creativity with AI? Let's dive in. Imagine boosting your workflow like never before. Writers, spice your words up with GPT, polish those sentences, craft killer stories, and write compelling copy. Video editors, you gotta transform your content with cutting-edge graphics made by Midjourney. Also, by the way, if you're not using the audio tools of Adobe Premiere, you're just, you're out of the loop. Designers, get ready to revolutionize your creative process with Playground. And also, if you're kind of a rebel, just use Midjourney and Ideogram. Here's the kicker. What used to take a whole team, now you can do solo. I'm Sam, and AI has skyrocketed my game. Before AI, not so good. After AI, I'm unstoppable, dude. I'm talking expert level writing, interactive animations, integrate amazing animations, and an evolving voice. AI turned me into a creative force. Transform your world. You gotta let AI level you up. So let's go. You can see there, like I just read the script. Of course, I changed like 2 or 3 words there because like it's more my style. I'm still writing it, right? I'm still, just reading it. So I can change just 1 or 2 words there. But the entire script was generated by just a job I did, 5 minutes ago. So I just wanted to show you guys, you can just jab about anything you want, like, oh, this is a cloudy day. Let's, make a short form video about that. All of your ideas are now going to be able to be distributed in like a new different type of workflow. The way it says here, right? What used to take a team, an entire team, you can do now solo. And what I think, it's the most impactful for me is what used to take 5 hours now takes 5 minutes. So that's amazingly cool. I have a meeting in 10 minutes with my main engineer, so I kind of have to go, guys, but this app is amazing. Riley is amazing. Anash, who is the co-founder, I think, is also amazing. You need to follow them on Twitter and on YouTube. I think he's got YouTube too. And you need to follow me on Twitter and YouTube, okay? And use this app because this is super cool. I'm gonna be using it for AI for marketers and for all my projects. So I hope this video was valuable to you guys. You can see another one right here at the playlist of all of our tutorials in this one. See ya.